Hello little readers. Today we are going to visit a fun place. Let's read with Little Learning Loop. Are you excited? Hooray! Let's go! Great! Today's video is called At the Zoo. Can you see the words on the screen? I will read this for you first. Listen carefully. At the zoo. Now it's your turn to read by yourself. I will stay quiet. Great! Let's start our reading adventure. Hooray! Here is our first sentence. I will read it for you first. Look at the words on your screen and listen carefully. Last Sunday, I went to the zoo. It's your turn to read. I will stay very quiet. Great job! You read, Last Sunday, I went to the zoo. Perfect reading! Hooray! Now listen to the next sentence and follow carefully. I will read now. I went with my parents. Now it's your turn to read. Ready? Excellent! I went with my parents. You are reading so well. Hooray! Now we see big animals at the zoo. Look at the big elephant and the tall giraffe on your screen. Now let's listen to the sentence. I saw an elephant with big ears. It's your turn to read now. Perfect! I saw an elephant with big ears. You read it beautifully. Here comes another big animal. Do you see the tall giraffe on the screen? Good. Now listen to the sentence. I saw a tall giraffe eating leaves. It's your turn to read now, little readers. Wonderful! Excellent work! Hooray! Look, here are some wild animals. I will read now. Listen to the sentence. The lion was inside a strong cage. Can you read the sentence on your own now? Great reading! The lion was inside a strong cage. You did it! Now look at the tiger. See how it's walking? I will read now. Listen to the sentence. The tiger walked slowly and looked around. It's your turn to read alone. Fantastic! The tiger walked slowly and looked around. You are such a good reader. Now let's see the beautiful birds at the zoo. Look at all the pretty colors on their wings. Now listen carefully to the sentence. Colorful birds sat on branches. Now you read it by yourself. Amazing! You are reading so well. Listen to what the birds did. They chirped and flapped their wings. Can you hear the birds? This time you read it. Perfect. They chirped and flapped their wings. You did great. Now we will learn some important rules at the zoo. We did not feed the animals. Now it's your turn to read it by yourself. Excellent! We did not feed the animals. You remembered the rule. Here is another important rule. Listen carefully. We helped to keep the zoo clean. It's your turn now. Wonderful! This is how we take care of the zoo. Now we will read the last sentence. Listen carefully. I learned about animals at the zoo. So let's read. What did you learn? Great job! I learned about animals at the zoo. That was the perfect ending. You did an amazing job, little readers. I am so proud of you. Give yourself a big clap. Thank you so much for reading at the zoo with Little Learning Loop today. Did you enjoy our reading session? If you loved reading with us, please ask your parents to like this video. That will make us so happy. And please subscribe to Little Learning Loop so you can read many more fun videos with us. I can't wait to see you again. Goodbye, my little readers. Bye-bye.